If you don't know what aura farming means, your English is officially cooked. You can spend 5 years memorizing grammar rules, score a perfect band-8 on your IELTS exam, and still feel lost reading the internet. Why? Because textbooks teach you how to pass a test. They do not teach you cultural survival. Saying very good or I am in trouble is basic. In 2026, language is defined by digital culture. But here is the ultimate cheat code. If you learn how to translate viral internet slang into high-level academic English, you become unstoppable. Today, we are opening the 2026 Slang Dictionary. Stick around, because I'm giving you the translation matrix to upgrade your vocabulary. Let's level up. The ultimate currency on the internet isn't money or followers. It is aura. Your aura is your invisible energy and your magnetic confidence. You don't have an aura, your actions generate aura points. But what happens when someone tries too hard? That is called aura farming. Aura farming is doing things intentionally to look cool, just to increase social status. Grammatically, farming is a gerund, which is a verb acting as a noun, and if you mess up, that's negative aura. Imagine confidently waving at someone who is actually waving at the person behind you. -1 million aura. In a boardroom or an exam, don't say he is aura farming, say he is cultivating a highly performative image. That's a band 9 sentence. In 2026, we don't say I have a problem, we use the culinary scale of failure. Welcome to being cooked. If you are cooked, you are out of options. Imagine you show up for a flight and realize your passport expired. You are officially cooked. What if the situation is catastrophic? You aren't just cooked. You are deep fried. Accidentally hit reply all on an email complaining about your boss. The academic translation. The situation is irreversibly compromised. But food slang isn't always bad. Have you heard? Let 'em cook? This means giving someone space to do their thing. It uses the bare infinitive. It is never let him to cook. It is let him cook. Now for total fluency. Code switching. This is the ability to transition from a YouTube comments section to a high-level corporate environment.
Let's enter the translation matrix. Take a screenshot right now. Number 1, and that's cap. In an academic essay, you may write, that argument is highly fallacious.
Number 2, gatekeeping. In a professional meeting, you say, they are monopolizing access to resources. It sounds much more sophisticated.
Number 3, rage bait. On an IELTS writing task, call it deliberately incendiary media. We paired advanced adjectives with adverbs.
I want you to answer this in the comments to prove your English has aura. Your professor's historical event was deep fried. Do you use, which word do you use? A, unfortunate. B, irreversible. C, negative. If you got that right, your English is impeccable. To get the full 2026 Slang Dictionary, download it for free at concordhomework.com. Stop sounding like a textbook and start speaking with authority. Follow Concord Black, like, and subscribe. See you in the next one.